So this is Vizio's first OLED TV. Now, it is only sold in the United States, but because I'm based in the United Kingdom, and with what's going on around the world right now, it is going to be quite impossible for me to fly to the States to review this set. So I decided just to buy it and import it into England for review. But the thing is, this TV in the States, in the USA, it cost around $1,300 and you wouldn't believe how much it costs to actually import this TV into the UK. So I've had to pay a courier $1,100, and then on top of that I have to pay customs and import duty of around $350 to get it just into my house, and the whole process is so convoluted. Basically, I placed the order during the second week of September and it only arrived here in my test room. So what happened was that I needed to register with the HMRC for an EORI number to get the whole process started before the courier company would even contemplate sending the TV across the ocean to here, in Manchester. And I just want to buy a TV to review, mate. But that's how it is. It looks pristine. The box looks pristine, and it seems to be well taken care of. But who knows what might happen. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. A powerful technique also rumored to be documented in the lost pages of Karma's. So I've unboxed this Vizio OLED and the front glass seems intact. There doesn't appear to be any cracks anywhere. There are some scratches here and there, but I do hope that it is just on the protective film and not on the actual glass itself. But when I went to the back of the television and looked at the power input requirements, this TV requires a power source of 120 volts in 60 Hz. Now here in the UK, the power outlets are 230 volts in 50 Hz. So I will nip out very quickly to get a step-down transformer and I'll see you very shortly. Right, so this is the moment of truth. I haven't been this nervous since the first time Let's do this. Yay! Right. I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy. So it arrived from the States in one piece, okay? And it appears to be working now. So I would like to thank Evan at Best Buy, North Carolina for, helping to organize transport across here. So, I bought a TV from him and then he arranged for it to be collected and we coordinated with the courier and stuff. And also I want to give a quick shout out to the Vizio team at Best Buy North Carolina. Thanks again. Right, so I will be spending the next couple of weeks testing and reviewing this Vizio 55-inch OLED. And the reason why I took so much trouble to import it from the States is because this is the only OLED TV in 2020 in the USA certainly that supports the full HDMI 2.1 bandwidth of 48 gigabits per second. And also it is the only OLED in the States, I believe, to support both HDR10+ and also Dolby Vision dynamic metadata formats. So yes, right, I hope you enjoyed watching, me going through this really nerve-wracking process, and I'll see you in the next one.